Hello, in this video we will talk about Giant TCR. It's a road bike, and especially in this video we will talk about the lineup of Giant TCR. Basically, the Giant TCR have three models: the Advance, Advance Pro, and Advance SL. Okay, but then each model have a rim brake variant and then a disc brake variant. Okay, so in total there are 3 multiplied by 2, 6 model, 6 variants. But then in this website, the US website, they only sell the for the top end model, the S Advance SL, they only sell the disc, not selling the rim. So there's only 5 model in the US. Okay, now we will go deeper into each variant, starting from the lowest model, the TCR Advance. As we can see this in this website, they have TCR Advance and TCR Advance disc. The TCR Advance price starting from 2200, and the disc variant starting from 2600 into 3700. Okay, so let's see what we got with that price. So what we got actually is the Giant's frame. Giant's frame known for its quality and just getting better each year. So the frames is what they call the Giant Advanced Carbon Composite. It's actually a high performance raw carbon that manufactured in the Giant's own composite manufacturing, resulting in a frame that have a very high stiffness versus weight ratio. So it's great. And what you got with this Giant Advance, the fork is actually the leg of the forks made from the same material with the frame, but the steerer of the fork still made from alloy. Okay, and then for the parts of the frames like the drop bar, the stem, the seat post, also made by Giants. The stem and the drop bar over here, they call it Giant's contact, but the seat post, they already used a composite variant. So you have carbon from the lowest model in the seat post. Okay, other different is in the wheels. In this variant, they provide Giant's SR2, which is alloy wheel set, and the tire is Giant's Gavia with size of 25C. So that's basically what you got from Giant's TCR Advance. Okay, and as I said before, there is a rim brake variant and then the disc brake variant. What's the difference between those two? Actually, the brake should be different, but then the frame and the fork also quite different, especially in the mounting of this caliper, of brake caliper, because disc and rim brake caliper is different. And then other difference is in the tire clearance. So in the rim brake variant, the tire clearance is only 28 millimeter, so you only can put 28 millimeter tires. Usually it's 25C or 28C, depends on the manufacturer. But in the disc, the clearance is about 32 millimeter. So basically you can put a bigger size tire in the disc variant. Now let's take a look deeper into the second variant, the TCR Advance Pro. It also has a disc variant, of course. Okay, the rim variant price about $3,800. So what we got with this Advance Pro? So basically what you get is the same frame material. So basically it has the same specification but with some upgrades. The stem and the drop bar now use contact SL. If you remember, in the advanced variants without the Pro, they give the contact, but now they add SL over here, so it will be more lighter because SL means super light. Okay, And then the second difference is in the fork. In the advanced variant, only the leg of the forks made from composite, while the steerer made from alloy. But right now everything is composite. Okay. And then other differences in the headset. The headset of advance using what they call overdrive. This is actually the regular size headset used in other road bike, but with this Pro they provide the overdrive too. This is actually a little bit bigger than the regular size, which promise a better steer and better stiffness. Others upgrade is in the wheel set. This is actually pretty big upgrade because in the advance they provide the SR2, which is alloy, but now they upgraded into SLR1, which is carbon, and it is 42 millimeter rim height, so it's better. The tire is still the same. And then other upgrades, the last upgrade that I know is the crankset. Now they install a power meter, also made by Giants, so you got power meter. Okay, that's all the upgrade that you have if you buy the Pro series, the Advance Pro. Okay, as I said before, Advance Pro also have a a disc brake variant. The difference between the rim and the disc variant is the same with the Advance, only the brake caliper mounting and the tires clearance. Now let's take a look into the top of the line variant, which is the TCR Advance SL. As I said before, in the US they only sell the disc variant, so there is no rim variant, and the disc variant price range from 3600 into 11,000. Okay, so basically what you get over here is a different frame material. Right now they call it Giants Advance SL Carbon Composite, so there is an SL over here, so which means it will be lighter, and yep, it's lighter. To make it even lighter, they also provide different kind of seat post. You see over here the seat post is integrated, so they're not using the usual adjustable seat post. So after you buy it, you need to get a really good bike fit, so you know what's the geometry of your body, and then you cut the seat post. Be sure to cut it in the right size, because if you cut it wrong, there's no turning back. Okay, so that's all the difference, except, so as I said before, this variant of this SL, the Advanced SL, they have about 4 models, and the top of the line of the models, they changed the wheel set, so they're not using the SLR carbon but using the Cadex carbon, which is better, but it's not in all of the models, only in the top 1 models. Okay, so now you already know the difference between each variant in the Giants TCR lineup between the Advance and then Advance Pro and Advance SL. Now we will take a look deeper about the models inside the variants. Okay, let's see this TCR Advance Pro disc. Okay, so if we see over here, there is a number after the name. Okay, so what this number means? Okay, let's go to the TCR Advance first, the lowest model. Okay, in this they have number 2 and number 1. So basically, the smaller the number, the better the parts. Okay, in the TCR Advance, okay, so we right over here, Advance. if you have number 2, we start with number 2. Actually there's number 3, but in the US maybe they're not sell it. In the advanced variants, if you have number 2, then it means it's using a gear set, group set of Shimano 105. But if you have number 1, then that's meaning they are using Ultegra. Okay, now let's go to the Pro series. So in the Pro, you don't have number 2 in the US, but you have number 1, which is also Ultegra. This is the Pro, yeah. But then you have number 0, which means it has Ultegra TI2. It's the same Ultegra but with electrical shifting mechanism. Okay, but then in the Advanced SL, you have the number 1 and the number 0. Okay, but then it's quite different because they are not using Shimano group set but using SRAM group set. So in the number 1, they use SRAM Force, the ETAP AXS, this is also electrical shifting group set. And then in number 0, they use red. Okay, also ETAP AXS. So the red is actually more in the level of Dura Ace, while Force is in the level of Ultegra actually. So it's a step up in the SL series. Okay, so it's like this. So that's what you got. And there's sometimes in the US website they're not showing it, but sometimes you have like this TCR Advanced SL Disc 1 and then KOM. If you find this, then this KOM means King of Mountain. What's the difference? If you have this letter after the name, then that means the bike using a group set for climbing. They changed the cassette from 1130 into 1134. So you got 34 biggest cock in the cassette, and then they put the crankset into 5034. Okay, the compact crankset. So you can get a ratio of 34-34, which is quite good for climbing. Okay, I think that's all that I can show you within the giant TCR lineup. I hope this information will be useful and easy to understand. Thank you.